Have you ever started fitness or diet plan and followed it for 2-3 days and then did quit it immediately? Then this is for you. Starting a healthy diet is very easy, but maintaining the consistency is very difficult because of the cravings, mood swings, hormonal imbalance, stress, and fatigue. It can all make it difficult for you to stay consistent in a diet. And this is a major hurdle that everyone faces when you mainly focus on losing weight. Here are some 5 easy steps to stay consistent on a healthy diet for a long time. The first step is ask yourself why, because you really have to have the answer why you are starting this diet plan right away. Either you want to look good, you want to stay fit, or you want to have more energy, or you want to reduce the risk of getting ill. Figure out the reason why. Because people who have no clear cut goals are much less likely to stick to their diet or exercise plan. Why do you want to get fit or lose weight? What are your reasons for wanting to adopt a healthier lifestyle? Figure out the reason why. The step 2 is have a very slow start because enthusiasm is very good, actually great, but too much of enthusiasm could also be a downfall because when you have a very strict diet for a day or two and having too much exercise doing, too soon can leave you tired, sore, or even injured, and dieting too hard will leave you hungry. So obviously you'll have to keep up your momentum to achieve the goal end of the day. This is the most important step. You gotta stay accountable. For that, you should find an accountability partner to exercise or have this plan to continue with. When you have a partner, obviously you'll be sharing the details, how much calories you have burned, what you had for breakfast, dinner, lunch, etc. and etc. If not, you'll definitely ditch your diet and you'll stick to your workout plans. Because when you have a sudden craving of having the cookies in the midnight around 3 a.m., obviously you'll have it and no one will get to know this. So if you're comfortable, you can post pictures of your meals or the calories you have burnt on social media handles, or you can start a blog to write about how much you are into fitness, or you can share this with your partner. So I propose having a good partner for the diet plan is very good compared to the other things. If you're really rich and if you can afford it, you can have a paid personal trainer. So obviously when you're financially involved, you really can't ditch your diet plan anymore. Step 4 is do it the way you love it, because we all struggle in the beginning when we have to do this unpleasant workouts throughout the day or eating the foods that are really healthy and green, but we won't like it. This will be there for a while at least, but when your willpower quits, it can be all but impossible to force yourself to do things you really don't enjoy. Try doing this in a way you love it. You hate plain green tea, then try adding honey or lemon ginger to it. You hate running, then try to hit the gym and go for some workouts using pump irons or anything like that. And you don't like to exercise alone, then have a partner or join a fitness or Zumba class and enjoy it. You hate cooking the raw salad or greens, find out some inspiring YouTube videos, find out the scrumptious meal and have it. When you start loving this in a way, trust me, your willpower will increase and you'll never ever quit it. The last and the final step is have a proper system to eat and exercise, because the biggest enemy of consistency is difficulty. As soon as things get hard, it's always very tempting to just stay, forget it, and quit your diet or workout. If you want to avoid all these, you'll have to have a proper system that makes exercise and eating very easier. So what you can do is you can plan how to have the number of steps you are planning to walk for a day, number of green teas you are planning to consume, how you want to stay hydrated throughout the day. Have a plan. When do you want to walk, either in the morning or in the afternoon? When do you want to have your salad? When do you need to have your green tea or hot water throughout the day? Have your own schedule in a way that you can never have any excuses to stay no to your fitness. I hope this video really helps you to stay on a healthy diet for a long time, and if you have any additional tips to add, please let me know on the comment section. Thanks for watching. Let's all believe in positivity, stay strong and be happy with what you have, and don't forget to stay healthy as well.